Welcome. If you're looking to organize your Google Drive by moving files into existing folders, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to add a file to any folder using the Google Drive app on your mobile device. Let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed in to the right Google account so you can access all your files and folders. Once you're in, look toward the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the Files tab. This will display all the files currently stored in your drive, making it easy to find the one you want to move. Next, scroll through your list and locate the file you want to add to a folder. When you find it, look for the 3 vertical dots, also known as the More Options icon right next to the file's name. Tap on these dots to open a menu with several actions. From the menu, select Move. This option lets you pick a new location for your file within Google Drive. Now, you'll see a list of all your folders. Browse through and tap on the folder where you want to place your file. If you need to, you can even create a new folder at this step. After choosing the right folder, confirm your selection by tapping the Move Here button. That's it. Your file will be moved instantly to the folder you selected, keeping your drive organized and making it easier to find your documents later. This method works for all types of files, whether it's a photo, document, or video, and if you ever need to move it again, just repeat these steps. Keeping your Google Drive tidy is now simpler than ever. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tips to make the most of your digital workspace.